My good people, and welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legitimate information on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. And as usual, we don come with breaking news. Me get update for my table like this one need share give the general public, and this informate na about the things and things wey dey go down for inside Rivers State. And the koko now be say the Rivers State governor wey be Siminalayi Fubara, he na don come outside dey yarn say dis im administration no go lie acknowledge, no go lie recognize the faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly wey dey led by Martin Amaewhule, despite the mounting pressure from the Rivers National Assembly caucus. And no be lie, my good people, the caucus during one solidarity visit to Martin Amaewhule for inside Port Harcourt on Monday, dem come dey urge the Rivers State governor Sim Fubara say make im execute the Court of Appeal judgment wey dey affirm Martin Amaewhule and 26 lawmakers as the only legitimate members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. And for inside one statement wey dey signed by one countryman wey dey go by the name Kingsley Chinda from Obiakpo Federal Constituency, plus Senator Barenada Mpege from the Rivers South-East, with another country person wey dey go by the name Dumnamene Deko from Gokana Federal Constituency. And these lawmakers so for inside the statement, they come dey express dismay sake of wetin dem dey call deliberate distortion of the Rivers State governor of the facts and court judgment. And some time ago sef, the men wey dey support Martin Amaewhule, wey dey support Oga Wike, they come dey call Oga Sim Fubara man wey dey like follow court ruling. Say any court ruling wey no favour am, im dey disobey that court ruling. But if the court ruling favour am, im go dey praise the court, im go carry the thing for head like say na dreadlock. So back to the koko of the hour, my good people. For inside this statement now wey dis men dey arrange, they dey accuse Sir Sim Fubara of engaging senior advocates dem, including Femi Falana. And Sir Sim Fubara now dey engage dis senior advocate so that they go come help am misinterpret judicial rulings. So for inside the statement, dis men come dey yarn say they dey wish to caution Mr. Femi Falana wey be senior advocate of Nigeria to make im stop to dey misinterpret court judgment. Say they no like am, it is very much regrettable. Say a senior lawyer of his status go dey amplify falsehood from non-lawyers and political merchants dem. So those kind levels normal, e no make sense. And dem come still dey yarn say Sir Femi Falana wey be senior advocate dey lie about the ruling of Justice J.K. Omotosho and the purported defection of the 27 lawmakers wey now dey claim say lie dey no defect from their party. And the caucus constantly dey draw ear the sama warning say failing to implement the judgment go amount to contempt of court. They say the judgment of Justice J.K. Omotosho, which was affirmed by the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court, dey normally take effect immediately and forever. So any attempt now to deal with any other person or forum as the Rivers State House of Assembly is contemptuous of the judgment of the Supreme Court. This na wetin dey yarn. And they constantly accuse Sir Sim Fubara of Rivers State saying they interfere in legislative affairs, and they come dey question the legitimacy of his recent appointment dem. Then Martin Amaewhule wey dey lead the 27 lawmakers, the faction wey dey support Oga Wike wey be the minister of the FCT, im come dey yarn say all those men now wey dey parade themselves as commissioners, permanent secretaries and civil servants, say all of them dey be imposters, all of them dey be fake, because last they have not been screened and they have not been confirmed by the assembly. And Oga Martin Amaewhule constantly dey draw ear the sama warning say the handling of state funds by the governor go soon come under scrutiny. That is, they go soon torchlight the way the Rivers State governor take dey do money for inside Rivers State. And he constantly yarn say the governor himself supposed to know say they no dey sleep at all. They are very much aware of the hundreds of billions of taxpayers their money wey dey miss, and a day of reckoning go last come wey im go explain or im go give details on how all the money dey waka. But however, my good people, for inside a swift response, the Rivers State Commissioner for Information and Communications wey be Joseph Johnson, he come dey dismiss the claims of the lawmakers as misleading. He come dey yarn say everything now wey the lawmakers dey talk say e no make sense at all. They just dey mislead the general public, make the general public dey think say yes, the Rivers State governor dey true steal the money of Rivers State people. And himself wey be Joseph Johnson, he come even drop statement about the matter. And he title dis statement "Setting the Record Straight on the Situation in Rivers." For inside dis statement, Oga Johnson come dey yarn say the Martin Amaewhule and the 27 men wey im dey lead say they are no longer lawmakers o. After e be say they don by theirself comot their body, wash their hand comot from the People's Democratic Party go the All Progressive Congress on the 11th day of December for inside the year 2023. They are no longer Rivers State House of Assembly members. And the judgment of Justice Omotosho, which was affirmed by the Court of Appeal, e no dey touch nor alter the status of Martin Amaewhule and his group of 27 former members of the House of Assembly of Rivers State. And im still dey argue say based on say na dem by theirself comot for the PDP, automatically their seat as lawmakers is vacant. No be anybody cause am, na dem by theirself na do theirself. And as for the things and things wey dey dey talk about the Rivers State governor, make dem no try am at all, because the Rivers State governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara is both law-abiding and peace-loving. Im get great respect for the court of law and the Nigerian judiciary. Im no dey disrespect, im no dey disobey any ruling or any judgement wey the court last drop. And the governor swore on the 29th day of May for inside the year 2023 say im go defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the rule of law. And based on say im don take oath, e mean say im go gats respect the court, and he is doing so. Make nobody come dey talk say na only court order wey favour am na im dey like to dey take. Anyone wey no favour am, im go disobey. So those kind levels normal, e no make sense because it's very much misleading. Say the Rivers State governor dey abide by all order of the court or all ruling wey the court drop. So no be small matter like this, so my good people. You know say the reason wetin make we dey here today, the reason wetin make I dey give you this informate, the reason wetin make political beef dey sup for inside Rivers State na sake of say the current governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, and his predecessor wey be Minister of the Federal Capital Territory now, Wike, dem get political beef. Dem now dey struggle for political structure of Rivers State. Based on report, Oga Wike now want make him be say na him be the oga patapata for the PDP for inside Rivers State. Meanwhile, Sir Siminalayi no gree to that level. He say based on say he na governor, na him go be the head of PDP. And as for Rivers State matter, everything wey come outside from Rivers State belongs to Rivers State people. So based on say this men now dem get supporters for inside Rivers State, e come make the Rivers State House of Assembly e come divide into two. This my good people, na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be Anointed Lady TV. Na we dey like give una legitimate news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Me dey come your side again with more news for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.